In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence has emerged as a formidable force reshaping industries and transforming the nature of work itself. As AI continues to advance at a breakneck pace, it's only natural for us to wonder which jobs will be next on the chopping block. Today we are diving into the top 10 jobs that are at risk of disappearing by 2025 due to the rapid advancements in AI. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support means everything to us. Now let's dive in. Number 1. Data entry clerks. The repetitive and highly structured nature of data entry tasks makes it an ideal candidate for automation through AI. With AI-powered tools, businesses can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, reducing the need for human data entry clerks. No, to telemarketers. These intelligent machines can handle transactions, answer questions, and even assist with product selection, potentially making cashiers a thing of the past. However, AI-powered algorithms can now process vast amounts of data, including policyholder information, claims history, and market trends to assess risks more efficiently than human underwriters. This advancement may lead to a reduction in the need for human underwriters in the near future. Robots and cobots, those little robotic buddies designed to work alongside humans, are taking over assembly lines and performing tasks with precision and efficiency. However, the rise of AI-powered travel booking platforms has made it possible for travelers to plan their trips independently. These sophisticated systems can translate text, speech, and even sign language in real time, breaking down communication barriers and making translators less necessary. However, AI-powered diagnostic tools are emerging that can analyze images and provide accurate diagnoses in a shorter amount of time. However, driven trading algorithms can now process vast amounts of data and execute trades faster than any human trader, making it a job that could disappear by 2025. While radiologists will still be needed, their role may become more specialized as AI takes over routine tasks. However, AI-powered tools can now draft legal documents, conduct legal research, and even predict case outcomes, potentially making legal assistance redundant. However, AI-generated content and personalized news feeds are becoming increasingly sophisticated, potentially making journalists' roles obsolete by 2025. By 2025, several jobs may become obsolete due to AI advancements. These include data entry, telemarketing, factory work, proofreading, cashiering, insurance, underwriting, travel agency, translation, and radiologist positions, although some jobs may be lost. AI also creates new opportunities, and it's essential to embrace lifelong learning to thrive in the evolving job market. These platforms provide personalized recommendations, compare prices, and handle all the logistics, making travel agents an outdated profession by 2025. The rise of AI has led to the emergence of new job roles such as AI specialists, data scientists, and robotics engineers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. By acquiring the necessary skills and embracing lifelong learning, individuals can position themselves to thrive in the AI-driven economy of the future. While this may lead to some job displacement, it also opens up new possibilities for workers to collaborate with machines, creating a more streamlined and productive work environment. Say goodbye to those annoying telemarketing calls because AI is here to save the day, or should I say sales. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are capable of handling outbound marketing calls, making them a viable alternative to human telemarketers. The transportation industry is on the brink of a major shift with AI-powered autonomous trucks hitting the road. These self-driving vehicles are capable of navigating highways and delivering goods without the need for human drivers, potentially making truck drivers obsolete by 2025. These bots can deliver pre-recorded messages or engage in conversations with potential customers, opening new doors for sales opportunities. No. 3. Factory workers. As we step into the era of Industry 4.0, factory work is undergoing a significant transformation. No. 4. Proofreaders. Gone are the days when proofreaders spent countless hours poring over documents to catch typos and grammatical errors. AI-powered editing software is now capable of quickly scanning text and identifying any mistakes. These programs can correct spelling errors, prove sentence structure, and even check for plagiarism, all tasks that were previously carried out by human proofreaders. Number 5. Cashiers. The retail industry has already embraced self-checkout kiosks and AI-powered. Robots are taking customer service to the next level. No. 6. Insurance underwriters. The insurance industry heavily relies on data analysis to assess risks and determine coverage. Number 7. Travel agents. Planning a vacation used to require the expertise of travel agents who could arrange flights, accommodations, and tours with ease. No. 8. Translators. Language barriers are becoming a thing of the past thanks to AI-powered translation services. Number 9. Radiologists. In the field of medicine, radiologists play a crucial role in diagnosing diseases through medical imaging, such as X-rays and MRAs. Number 10. Truck drivers. Now let us take a look at some honorable mentions that might be next on the AI takeover list. First, stock market traders. It's making split-second decisions and analyzing market trends to maximize profits is a task that many stock market traders excel at. Next, legal assistants. Legal assistants play a vital role in the justice system by providing administrative and legal support to lawyers. And last but not least, journalists. Journalists are responsible for reporting on current events and crafting compelling stories that inform the public. While these job losses may seem daunting, it's important to remember that AI also creates new opportunities. The advancements in AI have the potential to revolutionize industries and transform the nature of work itself. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. When some jobs disappear, new ones are born. Take, for example, the rise of social media. It killed off the jobs of travel agents and map reading jobs, but created new job opportunities such as community manager, social media manager, influencer, hashtag specialist, and so on. The same thing will happen with AI. Some jobs will be replaced, but new job opportunities will also emerge. In part 1 of this series, we shared 10 new jobs that will emerge because of AI. In this episode, we'll share another 10 new job opportunities. If you're interested in finding out what they are, then keep watching. Number 1. Prompt engineer. This is where raw data is tagged with relevant information to make it easier for machines to understand and use. And data labelers are the ones responsible for doing the tagging. They are crucial for training AI algorithms to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. They work with cross-functional teams to define the vision and roadmap for an AI product, considering both technical feasibility and business value. They work with cross-functional teams to develop and implement policies and procedures for the responsible use of AI, taking into account factors such as fairness, accountability, and transparency. AI compliance officers also monitor and evaluate an organization's use of AI to ensure ongoing compliance and identify any potential risks or areas for improvement. They work with data scientists and machine learning engineers to develop and implement best practices for deploying AI models. AI deployment specialists also monitor and evaluate the performance of deployed AI models and make improvements as needed. They stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI technology and best practices for deployment and identify opportunities to improve the AI efficiency and effectiveness of AI operations. To become an AI deployment specialist, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Experience working as a software engineer, data scientist, or machine learning engineer could be relevant. Skills required include knowledge of cloud computing and containerization technologies, experience in software engineering, and excellent problem-solving skills. They stay up to date with the latest developments in AI regulation and best practices, and advise the organization on how to best position itself in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. To become an AI compliance officer, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in law, data science, or a related field. Experience working as a compliance officer, data scientist, or privacy analyst could be relevant. Skills required include knowledge of data protection regulations, experience in compliance, and excellent communication and collaboration skills. AI product managers identify opportunities to leverage AI to improve existing products or create new ones. They analyze market trends and competitive offerings too, develop a deep understanding of the AI landscape, and identify opportunities for innovation. AI product managers also collaborate with engineering and design teams to develop and launch new features for AI products, ensuring they meet the needs of the target market and align with the overall product strategy. To become an AI product manager, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, or a related field. Experience working as a product manager, data scientist, or software engineer could be relevant. Skills required include knowledge of AI technologies, experience in product management, and excellent communication and collaboration skills. Data labelers can specialize in different types of data, such as images, text, audio, or video. For example, they might tag images with information about what they contain or label text with part of speech. To become a data labeler, you typically need a high school diploma or equivalent. Previous experience working with data or in a customer service role could be beneficial. Skills required include attention to detail, ability to follow instructions, communication skills, and problem-solving skills. The main responsibility of a prompt engineer is to write effective prompts that generate the best output from large language models or LLMs. They work closely with other engineers and product managers to define requirements and scope for new features. Prompt engineers write and optimize prompts for natural language processing systems to ensure they produce the most useful and accurate responses. They typically have a background in data science, linguistics, cognitive science, computer science, or a related field. A master's degree is preferred, and relevant experience could be working as a data scientist, machine learning engineer, NLP researcher, or technical writer. Skills required include an understanding of deep learning techniques, natural language processing and generation, creativity, analytical skills, and attention to detail. No point to AI trainer. AI trainers are responsible for training artificial intelligence systems to recognize patterns in data and make decisions based on those patterns. They work closely with data scientists and machine learning engineers to develop and improve AI algorithms. Their duties include designing and implementing training programs for AI systems, evaluating the performance of trained AI systems and making improvements as needed, developing and implementing strategies for continuous improvement of AI system accuracy and efficiency, and staying up to date with the latest advancements in AI technology. Typically, AI trainers have a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, or a related field. The relevant experience could be working as a data analyst, machine learning engineer, or AI developer. Skills required include proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, or Java, knowledge of machine learning algorithms and deep learning frameworks, and excellent problem-solving skills. According to ZipRecruiter, the average pay for an AI trainer is $153,000 per year in the United States, with the highest level of pay at $284,000. 3. Data labeler. Data labeling is an essential part of the AI development process. For an algorithm auditor, as AI systems become more complex and are used in more high-stakes situations, the need for independent audits of AI algorithms will grow. Algorithm auditors will be responsible for examining the algorithms used in AI systems to ensure they are fair, unbiased, and effective. They work with stakeholders to identify the goals and constraints of an AI system and then develop a plan for auditing its algorithm. Algorithm auditors use various tools and techniques to examine an AI algorithm, including interviews with stakeholders, reviews of documentation, and testing of the algorithm itself. They also identify any potential biases in the data used to train the algorithm and develop recommendations for mitigating these biases. To become an algorithm auditor, you'll typically need a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, or a related field. Experience working as a software engineer, data scientist, or machine learning engineer could be relevant. Skills required include knowledge of statistics and machine learning, ability to work independently, and communicate effectively. According to ZipRecruiter, the average pay for an algorithm auditor is $155,000 per year in the United States, with the highest level of pay at $276,000. 5. AI Customer Experience Designer. AI customer experience designers create and manage customer experiences powered by AI. They design and build conversational interfaces, chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI-powered customer service tools. They analyze customer data to understand customer needs and pain points, and then develop AI solutions to address these issues. AI customer experience designers also work with cross-functional teams to integrate AI solutions into existing customer service channels and platforms. They monitor and evaluate the performance of AI customer service tools and make improvements as needed. To become an AI customer experience designer, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in a related field such as human-computer interaction, design, user experience design, or a related field. Skills required include knowledge of AI technologies, experience in user experience design, and excellent communication and collaboration skills. According to ZipRecruiter, the average pay for an AI customer experience designer is $147,000 per year in the United States, with the highest level of pay at $253,000. 6. AI Product Manager. AI product managers oversee the planning, development, and launch of artificial intelligence products. 7. AI Compliance Officer. AI compliance officers are responsible for ensuring that an organization's use of AI technologies complies with all applicable laws, regulations, and ethical guidelines. 8. AI Ethics Officer. AI ethics officers are responsible for ensuring that an organization's use of AI technologies aligns with ethical principles and societal values. They work with cross-functional teams to develop and implement policies and procedures for the responsible use of AI, taking into account factors such as fairness, accountability, and transparency. AI ethics officers also monitor and evaluate an organization's use of AI to ensure ongoing alignment with ethical standards and identify any potential risks or areas for improvement. They engage with stakeholders to build consensus on ethical issues related to AI and represent the organization on external committees or working groups focused on AI ethics. To become an AI ethics officer, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in philosophy, ethics, or a related field. Experience working as an ethics officer, data scientist, or policy analyst could be relevant. Skills required include knowledge of AI ethics and principles, experience in ethics, and excellent communication and collaboration skills. According to ZipRecruiter, the average pay for an AI ethics officer is $155,000 per year in the United States, with the highest level of pay at $316,000. 9. AI Deployment Specialists. AI deployment specialists are responsible for deploying and maintaining AI models in production environments. 10. AI Operations Manager. AI operations managers oversee the day-to-day operations of AI systems and ensure that they are running smoothly and efficiently. They work with cross-functional teams to develop and implement best practices for AI operations, taking into account factors such as scalability, reliability, and security. AI operations managers also monitor and evaluate the performance of AI systems and make improvements as needed. They stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI technology and best practices for operations, and identify opportunities to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of AI systems. To become an AI operations manager, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Experience working as a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or software engineer could be relevant. Skills required include knowledge of cloud computing and DevOps practices, experience in project management, and excellent problem-solving skills. According to ZipRecruiter, the average pay for an AI operations manager is $179,000 per year in the United States, with the highest level of pay at $305,000. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more AI content. Also, check out our recent videos on AI. Part 3. How to start an AI-related career, even without an IT degree. In this video, I will share with you the top 10 resources that I would recommend for your learning journey. Coding is essential for building software applications, automating tasks, and solving problems through technology. Learning to code can also help you understand how software is developed and how to use technology to solve real-world problems. Online learning platforms have a lot of benefits. First of all, they are usually very affordable compared to traditional education. This can be a great way to learn new skills by seeing how other people have solved problems or created projects. By exploring open-source projects on GitHub, you can learn about different approaches to solving the same problem. And you can also learn from the code of other developers. There are many different AI communities on Discord where you can chat with other people, ask questions, and get help with your projects. There are many different AI blogs and newsletters that you can follow to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the AI industry. I would recommend checking out some websites. On these websites, you can find articles and tutorials on a wide range of AI topics. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and it is important to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Make it a habit to read books, watch tutorials, attend webinars, and practice your skills regularly. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And most importantly, have fun with it. AI is a challenging but rewarding field to be in, and with hard work and dedication, you can be successful. Skills are free. You don't need to be a genius to keep up. Anyone with the right mindset and dedication can learn AI. You can also find job postings and other resources for AI professionals. In Part 4, I will share with you some interview tips. Additionally, there are many different AI newsletters that you can subscribe to. Some of my favorites include a newsletter and a newsletter. Both newsletters provide a great overview of the most important AI news and developments each week. Some of my favorite Discord servers include a server. In this server, you can chat with other people about AI, machine learning, and data science. Personal projects can be anything from building a simple website, to developing a mobile app, to creating a piece of art. The key is to choose a project that interests you and challenges you to learn something new. When it comes to AI, there are a lot of interesting personal projects that you can work on. For example, you can build an AI-powered chatbot or develop an image classifier. You can also create an AI artwork or use AI to analyze data and generate insights. The possibilities are really endless. So let your imagination run wild and have fun with it. There are also a lot of channels where you can ask questions and get help. You can also find people for projects and collaborations in this server. Another server that I really like is a server. This server has a lot of channels where you can chat about different aspects of AI, including AI news, AI ethics, and AI art. You can also find people for projects and collaborations in this server. Additionally, GitHub allows you to contribute to open source projects, which can be a great way to build your portfolio and make connections with other developers. If you want to get started with GitHub, you can create an account and start exploring projects in the AI or machine learning space. You can also look for projects that are labeled as good first issue or contribution welcome, which means that they are looking for people to contribute. Most of the time, you can get access to tons of courses for just a few dollars per month. Secondly, online learning platforms are very flexible. There are literally millions of video tutorials on YouTube covering almost every topic you can think of. When it comes to learning AI, I would recommend checking out some channels. One channel is run by a major tech company, and they cover a wide range of topics from machine learning to data science to AI ethics. They have a lot of beginner-friendly courses and tutorials that can help you get started with AI. Another channel is run by a professional, and he covers a wide range of topics in machine learning and deep learning. He has a lot of practical examples and case studies that can help you understand how to apply AI in the real world. Lastly, I have my own channel, where I share my learning journey and my experience working in tech. I also share some tips and tricks on how to break into the AI industry. You can learn whenever and wherever you want. So if you have a busy schedule, you can still find time to learn new skills. Lastly, online learning platforms offer a variety of courses and topics. Whether you want to learn coding, math, science, or anything else, you can find a course that fits your needs on an online learning platform. Some of my favorite courses on an online learning platform include Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms, Introduction to Machine Learning and Deep Learning A to Z. There are many different programming languages, and it can be difficult to decide which one to learn first. But one of the most popular and versatile languages is Python. Python is a high-level programming language that is used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It is known for its readability and efficiency, and has a large community of users and developers. If you are new to coding, I would suggest you start learning Python. To practice your coding skills, I would recommend you check out educational websites. On these websites, you can find interactive exercises and real-world projects to practice your coding skills. These websites offer a gamified approach to learning coding, which makes it more engaging and fun. They also provide a platform for users to collaborate on projects and share their work with others. Before transitioning into tech, I was working in sales and marketing. CapCut is a website that provides a platform for software engineers to practice interview-style questions and test their skills before applying for jobs. It offers a variety of questions that have been asked in previous interviews at big tech companies, giving users a chance to get a feel for what they can expect when they apply for jobs. The website also provides a forum where users can discuss questions and solutions with each other, which is a great way to learn from others and build a network of contacts in the tech industry. Additionally, LitCode has a built-in discussion forum where users can ask questions and get help from other experienced engineers. Overall, LitCode is a valuable resource for anyone preparing for software engineering interviews. And it is an essential tool for anyone who wants to succeed in the field. So I know firsthand how difficult it can be to switch careers. That is why I'm making these videos to help you navigate your learning journey and to remove as many obstacles as possible so that you can start your new career as soon as possible. I post weekly videos about machine learning, engineering, and related topics. Please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, if you want to have a chat with me or ask me any questions that you might have about my learning journey, the tools that I use, anything like that, please make sure to check out my page. I will leave a link to it down below. I would love to meet you there. Let's go. Number 1 is to attend webinars. As I mentioned in part 2 of the series, one of the best things that you can do is to attend free webinars. For example, last month I attended this webinar by Google, and I learned so much from it. In the beginning of the webinar, the hosts shared some statistics about the AI market and the demand for AI skills. They also shared some tips on how to break into the AI industry. Then the speakers shared their career stories and experiences with us. And then there was a Q and a session where I was able to ask them questions directly. I've also been to several other webinars hosted by various companies, and I always walk away with tons of knowledge and insights. So I highly encourage you to find some webinars near you or online and go to them. Most of the times they are free. Even if they're not free, usually the knowledge and the networking opportunity is worth paying for. So to find some free webinars, you can go to meet.com. Meet is a great platform to find people who share the same interest as you. So you can search for AI or machine learning or data science meetups, and you can see which meetups are happening nearby. If you don't find any meetups in your area, then you can also search for online meetups or webinars. Another platform that I really like is eventbrite.com. On Eventbrite, you can filter your search by category, price, date, etc. So you can easily find some AI or tech-related events near you or online. And lastly, if you're looking for more technical deep dive webinars, I would suggest you check out a website. On this website, you can find all sorts of technical webinars hosted by big tech companies. Some of the webinars are free and some of them are paid. But either way, I think the content of the webinars are really great. Number 2, practice coding on educational websites. One of the most important things to learn if you want to work in tech is coding. Number 3 is to prepare for interviews on LitCode. Number 4, use online learning platforms. There are many different ways to learn new skills, but one of the most effective and efficient ways is through online learning platforms. Number 5, explore open source projects on GitHub. GitHub is a website where people can share their code and projects with others. Number 6, watch video tutorials on YouTube. YouTube is a great resource for learning new skills. Number 7, join AI communities on Discord. Discord is a great way to connect with other people who share the same interests as you. Number 8, follow AI blogs and newsletters. Number 9 is to work on personal projects. Working on personal projects can be a great way to learn new skills and gain experience. And number 10 is to keep learning. The most important thing is to keep learning and practicing.